not ready, not ready. I think I was not ready, man. I didn't think I'd still be here. Rock steady's like a dream. Told me please do not wake me up. I don't want it to stop. I'm loving this view from the top, from the very beginning with Teddy Bombastic and Paparella. I've been giving you fire, ain't nobody here, Rilla. The suspect told me everybody will listen to Eva, and now it's happening. Undoubtedly, the haters are mad at me. This is why I get back in the booth. Really, there's nothing to do. Pick up the book and try to read, cause I be seeking the truth. Look at me, boo. Incredible is the shit that I do. I'm steady dreaming of us sitting in the back of a coupe. Look at the view, think how beautiful and how long it took. This is the moment you've been waiting for. What are you waiting for? You gotta get up your feet, baby, hit the floor and get a move on. Forget what you've done. The past gone and the present now is all that exists, and time is all that you got, baby. Believe it or not, it's quickly running out, and soon they turn out the lights. What have you done? What have you become? What did you make of yourself? You know, it's almost beginning to feel like I'm talking to myself every time. Like right now, I'm definitely talking to myself. Facing my demons, I'm no longer running away. I bless the day I turned the page just to write my first rhyme, and ever since then I captured with the paper and pen. Every moment of my life I had no need to pretend, and I am grateful for every fan who understands that this is more than just the music for me and became friends. Back to the plan, I fuck like a girl but then think like a man, and handle business, my vision never threatened by competition. You see, my niggas ain't satisfied. There's always something better than what you got on the other side. Even when you hit the top, you gon' be staring the skies, wishing you could fly. This is how you know you have survived, when all you wanna do is get better. No thoughts for the cheddar, you know it's coming inevitably if you put in work. So you double the hustle, get you some flex on the muscle. Happiness take nothing from you, keep all your plans on the low, low. Just know everything gon' be okay, okay. I said everything I had to say. I hope you're ready for your whole life. You only do this, baby, one time now.